Today is a wonderful day for Tim. He's going to his father's work. Tim's father works at the garage. He fixes cars.
Tim, we have to hurry up. If we will be late, you won't see how they open up the gate.
I'm running. Ready.
Tim, I think you've forgotten something.
Oh, Dad, that's true. I forgot to put my shoes on.
Are you ready, son?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, let's go. Now look, gates are opening.
Wow, how does it work, Dad?
It's simple. Gears are spinning and the door goes up.
Amazing. And what's that?
It's a spanner. I have many. I use them to screw and unscrew all sorts of screws. Look.
Why are you taking off the wheel?
Because it's broken. We have to change it. It's ready. Now we only have to wash the car.
Hooray! May I help you?
Sure.
Dad, what's next?
Now we have to feed the car.
Feed the car?
It means we have to fuel it. Now you can get inside.
It's so amazing.
Today, Tim has learned many interesting and amazing things. Dad also was glad to spend the day together with his son.
Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, go watch the others. Just press one of those buttons.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
We'll stay here until you press. Hiking. Today is a nice weather. Friends are going to hike with Raccoon Tim's father.
There are lots of many delicious berries and mushrooms in the forest.
We're going to find all of them.
Yes, and then Dad will cook yummy mushroom soup.
I already see the mushroom. Oh, it's so beautiful. No, Mary, this is a bad mushroom. It has poison.
It's a toadstool. It always has red top with white dots all around, like the mushroom we have at the playground.
Oh, I didn't know this. Look.
This is a honey fungus. Usually, they grow on stumps.
These look like meat. Little foxes but mushrooms. So interesting.
Let's keep going.
Who's that on the tree?
This is a woodpecker, a forest attendant.
Why does he knock the tree?
This is how he heals the tree from parasites.
And this is where we're going to stay. With Tim, I'm going to set up the tent and make a fireplace. Mary, Alice, find some mushrooms. Matt, look for some berries for the dessert.
Friends hurried up to start their work. Mary and Alice collected lots of mushrooms. Matt found berries. Tim and his dad set up the tent and made a delicious mushroom soup.
Camping is amazing.
Going camping with friends, not only fun and useful, but educational as well.
Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, go watch the others. Just press one of those buttons.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
We'll stay here until you press.